Welcome back to part 3 of the social media monetization course. Again, I'm Dre with Time of Dre, and I'm the US ambassador for ConvertSocial, an affiliate marketing platform. Now, today we're going to be talking all about monetization, which is, I know, the part that you've been the most excited for, because it's probably a goal of yours to have a solid side income stream, or maybe even a full-time income. But there are a lot of things that need to be in play for you to be able to monetize in the way that you are looking for. So let's get into some of my best monetization tips if you are looking to pursue this, and how you can start implementing these right away. So let's talk about the foundations again. It's pretty hard to monetize a platform if you don't have any followers. So it's really important that you've spent some time with the vision, visibility, and velocity portion, building up your audience with like-minded people who are there for the topic that you speak on. And while you do not need 10K followers in order to monetize, you can only do it with a few hundred, you need them to be targeted people. So this is why you should never grow through giveaways or big engagement groups, because it builds you a misaligned audience of people who don't really care about what you're talking about. But if you do have a really aligned audience, even if it is petite with 300, 500 people, those are 300 and 500 potential buyers or people who might want to be clicking on the links that you're promoting or buying whatever it is that you're selling. So whether you choose to go the route of brand partnerships, selling your own products and services, or doing affiliate marketing, you still need traffic and eyeballs on your content, but make sure you're always doing it the right way. So let's cover some of my best monetization tips, do's and don'ts, things like that. And then we're going to get into affiliate marketing and how you can get started with it, and why I am so excited to share this opportunity and this wave of the future with you. So when most people start to monetize, they are so excited to start making money that they make the number one most critical mistake that I see in this industry, which is promoting anything and everything. Not only is this a huge turn off for your audience, it also decreases your credibility. If I followed you because I know that you are a mom of twins promoting like newborn mental health and newborn products, but then all of a sudden you're trying to promote to me workout and diet plans, I think it would just really send me running for the hills. And knowing that you actually were just more interested in making money than my best interest at heart. So my very first tip is to promote things that are in alignment with your audience. Now, this doesn't mean it needs to be always in direct 100% no association alignment. But if you know that you are talking to young moms, you might be doing something as aligned as a bottle warmer, but you might be doing something associated like a home security system. Those definitely relate to the same group of people. So make sure that you have integrity when you're saying yes to opportunities or affiliate partnerships, that you know your audience is going to at least understand why you're talking to them about that particular thing. That leads me to mistake number 2, is to always be selling. I know making money is so exciting, and especially if you want to replace your income and you want to get this going, it is almost like a high to make your first dollar. But it tires people out. And they didn't follow you to be a walking billboard. They don't want to be sold to, they want to be served. And so if you can always show up with a heart of service, like I'm sharing this product with you because I truly think it'll benefit your family. I truly think that you could utilize this. I know my audience would actually enjoy this thing. It is really powerful information. So think again about, before you start showing up on social and holding something up or talking about a link or an opportunity, are you coming from a place of service for your audience, or are you just looking to make money? People can feel that through the screen. And so always make sure you're serving before you sell. Now, what does it take to actually get someone to take an action on any of the things that we're promoting, links or products or accounts? Well, it comes back to the oldest trick in the book, if you will, which is selling the benefits and not the features. So we want to make sure that we are highlighting all of the wonderful benefits of a product rather than just the features. So I'm going to give you an example. I'm going to use something really mundane. Right here I have this cup. Ooh, it's boring, right? Selling the features of this cup would be the wide mouth rim, the aluminum casing, the easy washability, the stackability, if you will. But selling the benefits of this is actually something much more emotional. So this cup protects the environment. You're not using single-use plastics anymore. Now you're using something aluminum that helps you cut down on waste. But because it is a 12-ounce cup, you're not going to be refilling and leaving your meetings to get more water every single day. You're going to be able to fill this up only 2 to 3 times a day and stay hydrated and feel like you've got the energy that you want at work. That is the difference between selling features and the benefits. I just made this cup sound like pretty useful, pretty cool. And it is, of course, but that's the biggest mistake I see when people are trying to monetize. They are talking about the things, the stuff, the details, the features, and they're not looking at it from a much bigger perspective. What is the benefit to your end user's life of interacting with this product, buying this product, spending their hard-earned money on this product? It really is a mental shift for you as a marketer and a salesperson to start thinking about what it is that truly makes people buy something. And it typically isn't the features, it is the benefits of that item. Now, whether or not you want to work in affiliate marketing or you want to do brand deals or even maybe sell your own products, I still recommend you have what is called a media kit. A media kit is a virtual resume that is a visual and text depiction of what your account is all about. So typically it has a about your blog, about section. It will include analytics, demographics, and photos of past collaborations that you've done. Typically, it does not have rates or any financial information. This PDF document is awesome to have on hand so that when you start connecting with opportunities, that if they ever ask you for this, you already have it ready to go. I make mine in Canva. If you have any questions, let us know. Now, what you are typically doing when you're connecting with brands in order to get on their radar, I recommend a few things. First of all, follow the brand. I know that sounds simple, but you wouldn't believe how often that doesn't happen. Also, see what hashtags they're following or if they have any branded hashtags. So like hashtag just do it for Nike. But when you start reacting to their stories or commenting on their posts or commenting on their stories and then tagging them in your images in which you're using or wearing the product, it's only a matter of time before they message you and say, hey, thanks for the love, or we love you in that outfit, we love you in our shoes. And you can respond back and say, yeah, I really do love them. I actually own them. You can see them in this photo. I would love to work with you on your spring campaign. Do you have any campaigns available? Of course, then they're going to ask you for your media kit, which you can send over at that time. So connecting with brands can really benefit you in a multitude of ways. It can put you on their radar. It can help you build a longer-term relationship with them, and it can give you more opportunities to monetize than you've ever considered before. Now, you can also go the more traditional route, which is sending an email out to brands and asking them if they want to work with you and collaborating with them. But that's a pretty advanced technique, and I think it requires a lot of legwork to get to that point where you're sending 10 to 15 emails a week to potential brands to work with. And that is why I'm really, really fond of affiliate marketing. And so while brand deals and selling your own products is an awesome route, especially if you have a lot of traffic or a larger audience and you've got a ton of eyeballs, affiliate marketing is something that you can do at any size that isn't dependent on your engagement rate or your analytics or how brands perceive you. You are able to start getting monetization opportunities right away at any size. That's why I'm really passionate about what ConvertSocial does, because I believe that everyone should have the opportunity to monetize their platform right away without all of the headaches. So affiliate marketing, in my opinion, is quick and easy, but I want to really be clear about what it is. If you've never heard of affiliate marketing before, essentially what it is you getting a discounted link or a link that is specific to you that you can promote on your socials for a particular brand or brand's product that will then give you credit on their back-end system for selling that product and give you a cut of the money. Typically, it is a percentage. Sometimes it's a flat fee. It can look like a lot of different things. So if I am working with a hat company, I would be able to get a link that is specific to me. I would talk about these hats on my stories, my social, wherever it is that I'm talking about it. And anyone who clicks that link and buys that hat through that link, I will get a portion of their sale. Now, the cool thing about that is, again, it doesn't matter what type of analytics you have. The brand is happy to give you that link. You're able to use it anywhere you want to, and you're able to promote it as much or as little as you desire. But also, it allows you to work with a variety of brands and companies, because getting those links is so simple in ConvertSocial's platform. And it's not all about sending these emails and connecting and engaging and all these bits and bobs. You're able just to log right into ConvertSocial, search the brand that you like, get the link particular to you, and then go and start promoting it. But I do want to say that affiliate marketing is the long game. So while it's quick and easy to get started, affiliate marketing is an incremental percentage of the sale. So as you promote it more and as you have more followers and the more traffic that you're getting, the more money you will make. So it certainly takes some time to develop your affiliate income, but if you're consistent, your earnings will grow over time, and people will start to know you for promoting certain things. They'll start to follow you and check out what you're promoting next, and it can be really good opportunity for you. Now, also, the really cool thing about this is that you are given full transparency into how your campaigns are performing. So if you were spending 2 weeks, one promoting a hat and one promoting a supplement, you will be able to look at the analytics on the back end and say, oh my gosh, when I promote this supplement, I get, tons of clicks, 30% more clicks than when I talk about the hat. So I'm going to spend my time talking much more about the supplements rather than the hat. So you're given these deep, rich analytics into how many people are clicking, how many people are purchasing, and where you should be spending more of your promotional time with your income based on this knowledge, which I think is really, really awesome. So we are going to be getting into the ConvertSocial platform in the next video. I'm going to do a walkthrough of how you can utilize it, how you can get these affiliate links and place them on your social media to start making money. So make sure that you come back for the fourth part of this course so we can get you started with making money today.